Brad Williams, XL Prime. Let's take a look at a frequency problem, okay? This one might be hard to explain, but I'm gonna do my best. What we're doing, we want to count the longest series in tolerance. In other words, we're only interested in counting results in tolerance. We want the max. In other words, we can see out of tolerance, but we want to count in tolerance. We can use the frequency function in two ifs, and then we can wrap it all around the max, and the max is going to go down based on this configuration. It's just going to go down, and it's going to go 1, and then it's going to go 0 for out of tolerance. Then it's going to go 0 for out of tolerance, and then 1, 2, 3 for intolerance. That's what frequency does. Frequency is going to find the frequency of intolerance. And then max is just going to look through the list and give us the output. Let me just give you a preview. If we go to max and we just hit F9, you're going to see 0. Then we're going to see out of tolerance. Then we're going to see out of tolerance, 0. Intolerance, 0, 0, 0. Out of tolerance, try to find. We're going to see this 3 intolerance. We're going to see 0, 0, 0. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. That's how many occurrences we have here. 21. There should be 21. I just miscounted. I'm sorry, I wasn't paying attention over here. We have 21. If we go back and take a look at this, you're going to see, and it won't readjust, so we need to back out. Okay, let's go back in here and take a look at max, the number again, and see, does frequency count out of tolerance? Yeah. Why is it not counting the 2 intolerance? Then it goes and it counts 2 out of tolerance. Then it doesn't count the intolerance. Looks at what are the 4, worst 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, sometimes this thing doesn't catch up to the current F9. And F9 may create a problem here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Here we'll see 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 intolerance. We're just going to go in here to frequency number F9. What we're going to see, and I don't have an understanding of why there are 22 counts in here with 21 rows. Here we have intolerance, we have 3. Out of tolerance, we don't count. Intolerance, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And then you're going to see a 2. We're looking for a max, and max finds it. You can read this over here. I wrote up something here. I changed the formula. But here, max returns the largest number. The frequency counts values that fall within specified ranges. Our range is intolerance. The if logic says if condition is met, do something. If not, do something else. Here we have 2. We have if logical test is true, then do something. If not, do something else. Here's that something else. Here's the not, and it doesn't say value false. It's just an if statement. Then it goes, if results 816 is equal intolerance, which is 0, logical test, value of true, value of false. If this was all out of tolerance, you're going to see a 0. Reading this, the logical test, F9, says true, 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 false, 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 true. Okay, here's our trues. We saw that before. Look at our value of true. So you're going to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our values. If we look at entire list here, I don't think this is going to do anything for us. F9. We have to go here and data array F9. And there's the falses. 1, 2, 3 are trues. 10 is a true, and that 10 is representative here. 12, which is intolerance, and 14, 18, 20, the frequency side. which equates to the data array. And then our bins array is this, our bins array, 0004, 0004, 5. This is our bin, the bins, an array of interval for grouping values. The array, an array of values for which you want to get frequencies. Frequency is just thrown over, and max will look at all of this data here. F9, it's just taking the max. These are our bins, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, based on our count. And then max just takes max number. Brad Williams, XL Prime.